First was the first burst. The media will say society's got the worst curse. A lust for women that's so grimy. 6 o'clock in the morning they can't find me. I keep on telling brothers how it is. So who is it keeping those out of my business? They keep on asking where you're going. We don't stop getting colder with the flowing. Don't get it twisted here and leave us alone. Did you ever stop to think what we could do with the money we own? It's true money makers, and it's about that time. There's a ghetto anthem bringing the paper. Just a thug initiation. You see we broke in the silence and paved the way for a new generation. You're fucking with our patience, so I say one love to those who feel like we locked down the clubs. 1 club, 2 club, 3 clubs, 4. It's like they wanna lock down the whole fucking tour. 1 crew, 2 crew, 3 crews more. Still, who's got the keys to the fucking doors? So lit.